Well,
it's moving.
It moved. Something broke loose. Either that or it's just defying the weight.
Okay, so you guys remember not the last Building the Range episode, the one before that, episode number 3. I got this super cool little mini dozer slash TerraTrack slash crawler, and I kind of sort of, okay, so I didn't do it, it broke itself. I can't do, stop looking at me like that. So if you guys remember right, this is what happened. So this nut started coming loose. We're looking in here. We're thinking possibly burying this track from the tractor itself is my way. So to get in here and see what's going on to possibly fix this, Master Link is at the very front. Need to pull that pin, get this track off, get this wheel out, see where we go from there. So, just started recording, obviously. I didn't record what we were doing last night, which was just trying to get some of the bolts off of these plates. And we did go ahead and get one plate off. I had to actually grind off the bolts because there's no way to get them out otherwise. So, yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing. We're trying to get this pin out, get this track off, and continue from there.
Ready? Yeah.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python rap. What I like real fast, so until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Naked and afraid.
What?
Oh wow, it's not even, we don't even think we have to get anything to block it up. Hold up, watch this. Now see if you can pull it. That had to be the easiest, okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Ew. Now she's locked.
Yeah, she's probably still in where she's supposed to be.
Nope.
Unfortunate.
There's the bearing, but you're right. We lost 95% of them.
Told you.
That's not damaged at all.
You got lucky on that one.
Yeah, it damaged that though. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this. Should be circular, but it's all busted up, broken. Bearings are missing, obviously.
Should be around that.
Most of them. So it would normally sit right in there. But I think our gear's good, dude.
I think you are.
I think it's just the freaking bearing. I think we lucked out, bro.
Hopefully that's the case. They haven't priced the bearing yet.
Honestly, probably be one of the cheapest fix.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in feelings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change.
Alright, so as you guys can see, good news for the crawler, or at least we think and are going to continue to hope good news for the crawler. It just seems like it's just that bearing. So here in the near future, I'm going to take all that crap into town and see about getting, or see if one of the shops or whatever around here can get me the bearing and seal and all of that. So as soon as all that stuff comes in, because I'm pretty sure, I may luck out, may not have to, but I'm probably going to have it ordered to get it in. And hopefully it's not super expensive, but who knows with them older dozer slash crawler slash TerraTrack slash whatever. So anyway, once I get all that in, we're gonna go ahead and I'll have Fat Tony come back out, since the job he works, he replaces a lot of stuff like that. He's got a little more knowledge on it anyway, so have him come out and we'll start putting it all together. But one of the other things we'll have to do when we do that is drop the one main housing, get all the fluid and all the gear oil out of it, and clean up all the, you know, the bits and pieces that broke off, all the little metal shards and everything. Make sure everything's good and clean in there, put it back together, make sure everything's torqued properly, because some of them bolts we pulled were not very tight. So yeah, we'll do all that, and hopefully this thing will go back together just about as easily as it came apart and nothing broken. But anyway, slight intermission here. I have to pick up my nephews from school. Okay, so got the nephews. Got that one, and then got that one. I just want to make it known that the one behind me, little Jojo back there, is complaining about the truck because, you know, he's got a popular image to uphold that's too old for him.
No, it is not. I wonder if they can actually hear me when you post this.
Anyway, yeah, so definitely don't vlog when you're picking kids up from school, even if it has to do with your kids or nephews usually, because one, it's just kind of weird, and two, I mean, it's kind of disrespectful to record at a school with other people's kids around. It's one, just another thing when you're in public and people are just out and about. But just keep that as a note if you do vlog and you got kids or nephews or anything like that. Maybe vlog before and after, or if you do vlog when you're picking them up, don't show the other kids. No, I didn't get in trouble for that. No, I didn't do that, but I'm just saying, you know, it's just a respectful thing. Anyway, so how's it going?
Pretty good.
What is this, your third day back or fourth day? Third?
Yeah, probably fourth.
So how's it going?
Pretty good.
Making new friends? Got old friends?
I got old friends, no new friends.
Okay. What about you, Cooper?
Same.
That's it? That's all you got for me? Like,
He's more private time.
there's no, hey, I found some cute girls, or...
About that.
Okay. I'm not gonna haze him. I'm not gonna completely embarrass you. Anyway, guys, that's the end of this vlog, but enjoy this super cool outro made possible today by my super cool nephews.
Stay frosty.
Ride or die.
Reaper out!